And now let's take a look at the newest product coming out from SuperBOX, the S6 Ultra, the new 2025 model. As you can see, we're going through the boot sequence of the unit on the first boot up here. So we're going to go through the setup, but those that are interested in the full video, this is just going to be a YouTube short and condensed video because we can't show any content on YouTube. If you want to see the full video, check out the link below. That'll take you directly to my Rumble video, and that'll give you the part 2 full and uncondensed version of this video. But as we're presented here, let's go on through and show you a little snippet of what this box has to offer. Of course, the disclaimer, you have to accept the disclaimer that you're responsible for whatever you use this unit for. And then you'll go through the selection, of course, of setting up your Wi-Fi connection. You can also use Ethernet if that's something that you would like to do while using this unit. And then we move on into setting up the screen size for your TV portions. And this is pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, we are presented with the new UI layout that is brand new for the 2025 SuperBOX S6 Ultra model. You can scroll on over. We're going to look around. We're going to take a quick peek inside the apps area. And once we're inside the apps area, you can see that it has all of your core main apps from Google Play Store all the way up to your system updates and the TV-ROM updater, which keeps the system up to date with all of the latest and greatest content, of course. You can actually feel a huge performance difference between this unit and last year's unit. And we can still scroll through. We're going to look at a few things here. We're going to go into the settings. You can scroll through and see different settings. Let's look at the About area. You can look through here, see your flash ROM, your RAM. You can go down and tell what model you have. You can set your date and time. It's got a lot of your core basics for your Android box, and everything seems to work really smooth. I do recommend that when you get this unit that you go into the advanced display area. If you have a 4K TV, be sure to enable that feature on this unit so you can get the maximum resolution out of your TV. You can go in and change the HDR. There's a ton of settings in here that you can go in and adjust. Just be sure to only do that if you know what you're doing. You can go through and we'll look at the internal shared memory. There's just so much in this box that I can't compile in this one video. That's why we made number 2. Go on over to Rumble. Be sure to check us out. They have a quick way of contacting support if you need any kind of assistance, any kind of help at all. It has a clear system cache. That way, if you want to clear it out, make your system run even smoother and faster, it clears out a lot of trash, a lot of leftover residue from the installation. So that does it for our portion of part 1 on our YouTube video. Check out the Rumble part 2 below. That's going to give you like full context of what's going on. Be sure to give us a follow here. Follow us over on Rumble. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and be sure to check our link below. Till next time, guys, this has been the Mad Review. Have a wonderful day.